In this video we will explain some functionalities of MDT that can be useful for the OpenBim work methodology, using files in IFC format. We start by exporting a topographic surface. To do this, we run the export IFC command. We specify the details of the site, where we specify the coordinate reference system. We choose the version to export, in this case IFC4, and write the name of the output file. The generated file is opened with a free viewer and verified that it has been created correctly. Now we proceed to export a project with a previously designed earthwork. In addition to the surface, we load the file generated by the MDT earthworks commands. We validate the options in export. In the IFC viewer we can see the list of objects, including the solids of cut and fill, with the properties assigned by MDT. Next, we will associate a series of properties with the earthworks, which will also be exported in the IFC file. We run the command to define property sets, where we can see those that are initially defined. Now let's assign some properties to earthworks. To each property within its set, we can assign its corresponding value. Again, we export the earthworks to IFC. We open the file with the viewer. And we check that the assigned properties have been successfully created. Next, we are going to export to IFC a surface and a road, which already has defined a series of layers. We open the drawing and export to IFC. Add the road file corresponding to the video. And we proceed to generate the file. We open it with the viewer, where you can observe both the terrain and the earthworks made, the definition of road layers, etc. Each element has its geometric definition and could also contain properties assigned by the user to calculate quantity takeoff and quote it. Ions and generate all kinds of reports. Finally, we are going to import an IFC file of the 4x1 version, which can include horizontal and vertical alignments. We run the import command, and after selecting the file, the general data and the elements it contains are displayed. We accept and see that the alignment and surface of the file have been drawn.